kind of show you what was going on in this one little area. I guess I got it all out of here. I'm using WD-40 to get this off. This is this black tar stuff. I got plenty of cans of this, and I'm just going to saturate this. And usually I have a mask on when I do this. I got the windows open, a fan on, and I've got it nicely aerated. It doesn't really smell that bad, but some people get kind of not necessarily allergic to it, but it's just sensitive to them, okay? Now, I'm just going to take this. Remember last time I did this whole thing with just some cleaner. I sprayed this with cleaner, with orange simple green or orange cleaner, or this was Energy Plus cleaner, and I sprayed that on there, and then I went to town. Well, this time, I thought, you know, I had such a big room to do, I thought, I got to figure out some different way. And I remember taking regular WD-40, here it is, WD-40, and when I get tar in my hands from tarring a roof or something, doing a roof patch, I remember taking WD-40, spraying it on my hand, and wiping it all off. So I thought, hey, maybe that'll work on the floor here. So it does work, and I wanted to show you. I've just got a steel brush here, and before I went through this, I scraped all of this floor first with some scrapers, some razor scrapers, and I've got that kind of stuff shown on my videos. See how this breaks up the top surface of this now? Well, the rest of the surface anyway, it's on the floor. And I've got a 3-inch putty knife, and I just kind of go along here. That, if I have any more deep lines or imperfections on the floor, this is going to get them. And I found it kind of helps doing this. Now I'm going to brush that a little bit more. And there's only so far I can go with this. I can brush this until the cows come home, and there might still be stuff on here that I didn't see, that I didn't rub exactly. So I want to get that on there. Now I've got my sponge. I'm going to wipe that off. And I'm going to see what's left on this floor. Okay? Yeah, this gets gummed up pretty quick. I've got extra sponges. I keep rinsing this out. When I have more of this on there. Okay, but you know, after that you can take cleaner on here. If you want it lighter, let's say, okay, then that's going to take off more of the excess, like that. Now, if you like these different lines in there, you could leave it just like that and go on to the next bit. But the rest of the floor, I decided to get most of this stuff off. So now I'm going to just do it in the areas where I need and scrub some more. And I showed you how to use one of these scrubbers brushes before. You can do it at different angles if you want. Your left hand, your right hand. You get tired, flip it up backwards, however you want. Use the back of it, use the front edge of it in harder areas. But most of this is going to come off this time. See there? Look at that. That's so sweet. And you notice I don't have as much effort to brush on here. Before, I was just going as hard as I could with both hands to get off certain areas. Now, I can rest one hand and I can get the majority of it off just using the strength of one arm. Wipe that off, and see, I still have a little bit of discoloration right in here. If I think I can get that, I can put on a little bit more.
You know, so why am I showing you all this stuff? Because I want to give you different options. When you get down to your floor like this, if you like it dark, hey, go ahead and seal it right over the darkness. If you want it a little bit lighter, you know, go lighter and wipe off more of the excess. And if you've got some squares like this where the old tiles were, and if you like that look, seal over that. If you don't like that and you want to put a little bit lighter stain on, you can do that too. Your floor just is going to pick up a character of its own once you start cleaning it. You'll be amazed what you're going to see under there. So if you want to stain your concrete floors, keep checking out my channel for more thoughts and ideas.